Dear friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can make a very simple IoT based AC socket. It can be used to turn on and off any electrical appliances up to 6 ampere load. You can operate it using a phone or a computer on the same Wi-Fi network. I have used to make it ESP8266 ESP01 Wi-Fi module, ESP01 single channel relay module. You can know more about this module from the given video link in the description. For power supply, you can use any 5V power source, an AC to DC 5V SMPS, or any smartphone charger. I cut this charging cable so here I can get 5V DC from the charger. Some wires for AC connection, an electrical socket along with a switch, At first, you have to program this ESP01 module. If you want to know how to program ESP01 easily using Arduino IDE, you can check my another video about it. The video link is in the description. Here is my programming setup using an Arduino Uno board. Connect it to a computer and open Arduino IDE software. Download the code. The code link is in the video description. Here put your Wi-Fi router SSID and here the password. Go to tools, select your COM port. I am using an Arduino board as a programmer. Select board, generic ESP8266 module. Make sure ESP01 is in the programming mode. That means GPIO 0 is connected to GND. Now upload the code to ESP01. After that, disconnect the GPIO 0 of the ESP01 from the ground. Now it is on working mode. Open the serial monitor. It is showing connected to the Wi-Fi router. Now copy this IP. Only the last part of IP from here. Open any web browser. Make sure you are on the same Wi-Fi network. Paste the copied IP. Here you can see it is showing on-off relay. The code is working. Here you can see this LED is connected to GPIO 0 and it is working. This is a basically web server. After that, connect CHPD to VCC with a wire on the relay module. Now I am connecting the 5V power wires. Opening the IP using a web browser, your IP will be different. It works like a web server. My phone and the ESP01 module are on the same Wi-Fi network. You can see it is working and some sound coming from the relay. Now I am connecting it with an AC socket. Here is the connection diagram. Finally, it is working on an AC line. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next video.